Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command.
Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command.
Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command.
Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command.
Now type this command: cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command: bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.